What if you could access one of Google's most powerful AI platforms, completely free for an entire month? And to create, for example, video like this, or this,
Get your paws in the air!
That's great, eh? In this video, I'm going to show you Gemini Enterprise, a powerful AI environment that brings together advanced models, automation tools, and creative AI capabilities. Gemini Enterprise represents Google's most advanced evolution of the Gemini AI ecosystem. Instead of acting like a simple chatbot, the platform works as a unified AI workspace that connects multiple AI models, automation systems, and external data sources. One of the reasons this platform has attracted so much attention is the 30-day trial access that allows users to explore its capabilities. During this period, users can experiment with the platform's tools, including content generation, AI automation, and advanced creative features. This gives creators, developers, and professionals the opportunity to explore a powerful AI environment before deciding how they want to use it long-term. If you'd like to explore the platform yourself, you'll find the official link in the description below the video. This is the interface of the tool, and from here you can do various things. Things like to write it down a text and the tool will convert it to an image, or to a video with the support of VEO3 and Banana Pro. Now let's walk through the process step by step to access Gemini Enterprise and activate the 30-day free trial. First, open Google and type Gemini Enterprise Business in the search bar. You will most likely see it appear as the first result. Click on that result to open the official page. And click here on the blue button, Start 30-day trial. Next, click on Sign In. Enter your login details, your email address and password, to sign in using your Google account. Once you are signed in, you will be able to proceed with accessing Gemini Enterprise and activating the 30-day free trial for the program.
Hey everyone, don't forget, subscribe and hit the bell. Yeah!
This is the interface of the tool Gemini Enterprise Business. The two main things you can do with this tool are create images from prompts and generate videos from prompts. First, let's start from image creation through Banana. Here you can type a prompt describing the image you want the tool to generate. If you're unsure how to write a good prompt, you can also ask ChatGPT to help you create one. For this example, I typed a prompt asking the tool to generate an image of a smiling young woman standing on a big ship. After a few seconds, this is the result. Great image, right? Let's create one more example image. This time, we'll generate a realistic panda. For better results, we can ask ChatGPT to help us write the prompt. Then we just copy the prompt, paste it into this field, and click here to generate the image. And after a few seconds, here's the result with our panda. Isn't this image amazing? I love it. All right, now let's check out the real powerhouse of this tool. And that is generating videos directly from a prompt. So from here, we select Create Video with VEO. For example, we could ask it to generate something like a massive futuristic city at sunset with glowing skyscrapers and flying vehicles moving between the buildings. But if we want an even better prompt, we can always ask ChatGPT to help us craft one. Next, we paste the prompt into this field and then simply click here to generate the video. From here, you can download any of the videos. And I forgot to mention earlier that you can also download the images from here. All right, I think it's time to see the result. Let's watch the video. Pretty amazing result, right? I think we should definitely do one more test and make another video. Do you agree? Now, I would ask the tool to create a giant walking robot exploring Earth. But first, let's ask ChatGPT to help us generate a good prompt. Then we copy and paste the prompt into the program's prompt field and click here to run it. The video is ready, so let's see that. I honestly think the result is absolutely magical. It really feels like something straight out of a Hollywood production, with cinematic camera movement, powerful sound effects, and stunning visuals. The tool offers a completely free 30-day trial, so you can explore everything it can do yourself. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps support the content. Until the next video, I wish you all the best.